Hey, I'm Sergeant Cannabinoid. I'm a dumpster diver. Welcome to my channel. Let's go find some stuff. Dive on. Booyah! It's funny, this isn't a dive day, but the dog woke me up at 4:30 in the morning, and I figured, well, I'm up. Why not do a quick one? Let's see what we got. How do you like that? And this is something you don't normally see. I have shorts on and a tank top. But look at that, the back seat's already full. I'm just going to do a couple more stops. Yeah, I'm just going to do a couple stops, a couple of the close ones, and that'll be it. But I'm already happy with what I got. The back seat's already full. Yeah, that was a potpourri box. Who knows? It's a little bit of everything in there. See the kitty cat? I'll leave some food. There's another kitty cat right there. Wow. Just went into the woods. It's so sad, all these feral cats. Or homeless cats, whatever. not in there, but I left some cat food for the kitty cats. So that was pretty good. I'll show you guys the back seat. This only took me like, I don't know, like 35 minutes. I hit 3 spots and the back seat is full, so I'm glad the dog woke me up now.
Yo, son, Catamount hits us. What up, peeps?
Well, this was an impromptu dive this morning, as you saw by the dash cam dive footage. The dog woke me up, getting into the tub. I'm a very light sleeper, and I got up at like 5 o'clock. And, wow, look at this. The couch is covered. I've done this before where I've come up with the amount, and I don't know, I would think this would be at least $600 worth of stuff. But anyways, we got Light Therapy Acne Masks. These go for $29.95 on Amazon. I got 3 of them. I got one before. We got antacids. We got French Vanilla International Delight. My wife's happy about that. We got Hershey's syrup. Is going to be great for some ice cream for these hot summer days. We got some great white cheddar popcorn, some pretzels, some Snicker peanut butters. Those are good. A bunch of candy. These crunchers are also very good. Cookies and cream. We got a ton of breakfast bars. We got some gum. We got some fruit snacks. We got some pretzels. We got steel cut oats. We got a bunch of cookies, the yucky kind. Yes, I'm a cookie snob. We have snack mix. These are yummy. Haha, Justin, you ain't getting any of these. Take 5. We got a bunch of peanut butter. And I haven't gotten peanut butter in a long time. We actually had to buy some recently when the grandkids were here. We got some donuts. We got some Quaker apples and cinnamon. I love those. We got some Colgate White. My wife was needing, and some laundry detergent. And look at that, 85 loads out of this. I am just so happy. We got some pretzels. We got my favorite Skinny Pop popcorn. It's the best of all the popcorns. We got some Boom Chicka Pop, or whatever that's called, sea salt popcorn. We got some yummy honey bunches of oats with strawberries. This is just a great day. Cheez-Its, you know, I'm not a fan of the reduced fat. I will try them again. If I don't like them, I'll chuck them back to the garbage. You know, because vinegar goes bad. We got some white vinegar, which is great for cleaning out the coffee maker and just cleaning in general. We got some cold relief, some more Skippy peanut butter. My wife got some awesome workout pants. We got some organic raisins, a pound of almonds, a car freshener for the car, of course, or it wouldn't be a car air freshener. We got a bunch of green beans, which my wife uses to make the dog food with the chicken and the beans, etc. And we got some of that, what is it called? Kinetic or... kinesiology tape. You know the stuff's how expensive the stuff is. You see the athletes wear it all the time. So this was an impromptu dive. I got all of this from 2 dumpsters. Just crazy. So thank you, dog, for waking me up. Hope you guys are doing well. Give me a like, give me a comment. If you're not subscribed, click that sub button, click that bell so that you'll get every video when I put it out. And as always, dive on.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's